Hello, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing the Withings Steel HR Sport. And HR means heart rate, not human resources, LOL. This is a multi-sport hybrid smartwatch. So it is standard here. Then you have the non-analog digital display here. So analog and then digital. So we'll get into the unboxing. Right here, we like the box. Comes with some information here. This is the actual size of the watch and the actual watch itself. So get a good look around the bezel right there. So the screen is dark because it's not on, but details would show up in there once it's on and connected to your phone. You can have it connected to your phone. That is preferred method right there. So you can see the data, but you can also see it on the screen itself. This is the charging cable that it comes with. So you just fit the back end of the phone for the watch right here, and then you plug in the USB Type-A into a charger port on your computer or on any 1 amp wall charger. That's the watch. And then as you can see, it's nice and silicone. It has a really good feel to it. It's not super rubbery. It's not super grippy, but it's nice and thin, and it's perfect for running or really any sport that you want to do. It's not hard and brittle like leather. We like this watch a lot, actually. The nice metallic outside here. It's like a glass front there. Some details about the watch. It tracks, of course, calories, steps, and distance. It also tracks sleep, and it has a silent alarm. It's rechargeable, and what we like about it is its battery lasts up to 25 days. You can receive call information, text information, event, and app notifications. And the size of this bezel right here is 40 millimeters, and it's surrounded by a stainless steel case, and you can customize the band if you want to as well. It's water resistant up to 50 meters. You can get connected GPS, so you get distance and elevation. That's something that these other watches don't have. It has multi-sport tracking with continuous heart rate tracking as well. And you get your fitness level assessment and personalized coaching with just this watch from Withings. So we like it a lot. We like Withings as a brand. We've tested many of their products before. And here's the watch. It's pretty simple. And the charger, and it's Bluetooth connected. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter.